Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this device. Firstly, locate sound recorder and click on it. Now tap on the right button, choose allow, and as you can see, my recording is now on. If you wish to pause it, you can click on the left button again. Then unpause it the same way. If you want to end your recording, tap on the right square button, choose save, and click on the same right button again. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you wish to delete it, you can hold it, tap on the bin icon over here, and click OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!